Welcome back to the tutorial, guys. And so today video we are going to install the Sanity CMS into our project. So I will start to install it. So when you have in the Sanity Studio, you go to manage, and then you can I will create okay. So when you already log in into the Sanity, right, and remember to create a new project here, and you can have tennis agency like mine and create a project. And when you already created, it will have okay, something wrong. We create again. Okay, this should be good, and it will start to have some of tutorial for us. So first we need to copy the this command and we paste into our terminal. And you see is that we have a create latest Sanity project. This is the product, the ID, project ID, and productions template and TypeScript as well. If you hit enter, so it will have ask you few of the questions, and feel free to hit yes. And we will wait a bit for this gate. Okay. Let's wait a bit. So we initiate studio into our local computer. So you see that this they are installing. Okay, this here. So we will wait a bit. All right. So it's already having in here. So we want to select a selected one, or we want to create a new one. So let's check on this. So CD studio agencies, so we asking that they also all right, so we need to delete this one. Hold on. So we accident delete. Okay, delete forever. Okay. So I believe that this is the create. Okay, so you can see is that this is the ID. So just use the same ID you see in here. This is the different one. So I hit enter, and you want to create a new dataset, or you want to create a production. So in this case, I go into use these productions. So would you like to add the configuration files for the Sanity project in the Next.js folder? So in here I will hit yes. So I want it to stay in our project. TypeScript yes, M Studio yes, and it will ask us to create a route for the studio, and we want a block schema. Okay, so would you like to add the project ID and dataset into the env local? So we also hit yes. All right. Okay, so you see that we have the Sanity folder already in place. So the configurations few times it will have a little bit of problems when we try to run it in the local. So to make sure that we are not having any error, so I will temporarily stop this video from here when I have finished install it, and I will continue record the video. Alright, so after you see in that, you will see we have successful Sanity configuration here. And if you already run the local environment, so feel free to run it again. So when you hit the run dev and you refresh this local 3000, and if you go into the studio one, you probably will see so it failed to comply. So we have a few of the error in the parent. Let me have a look on this tailwind variant. We have some of the bug is what is going to be um, okay, tailwind variants cannot find. Alright, okay. Interesting. So basically that is the only that we have in the arrow in the button. So I will to make sure I will uninstall it again. Based on the error I said that we need to install it. It's not found. So tailwind variant. Alright, so install it again. Okay, let's check if we install and then if still have an error, remember to reload the window. Okay, something wrong. Okay, we need to have win defaults based on the React versions. Let's run it. So we get an error now. Right, so it's installed successfully. We start again, refresh it. Alright, problem solved. I'm not sure what happened about that. Alright, so we up again. So when we reload in the studio, it should be asking you for the login, if I remember correctly. Right, so we can close this one down. So here, if you see is that we in the studio, and it's asking you for login. The provider feel free to choose the account that's connect with your Sanity. In this case, I will going to log in by the GitHub. Alright, so you see in that we have the box schema, box okay, post schema. So it means that you are already connect with the Sanity. So for the Sanity, here you can see we have the post type, and when you create a new post, it should be have the same schema you see on the right. Here, if you see, so first thing you're going to see that you have a title which is defined as string, and you all have the slot with its options going to choose the source is the title. So when I try to hit and try to choose our title, for example, let's say we go into use this hero is the first title, swing with confidence. Because in here I believe we have few of the problem of the hero. So let's say we go into you meet with the coach behind Elysian, right? So in here it says that meet the coach, and it will generate the slot based on the title. And what this slot mean? This slot, when you click into this, for example, it's going to be redirected into something like this. So it's called slot. So basically that we already in the Sanity Studio, and if you have not been connected, feel free to watch this video again. And in the upcoming video, we're going to create Sanity for 5 of the page. You see we have location, we have everything. We also can create a component dynamic, and we can change based on that. We also can create every like data in this Sanity. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for all the support of the channel. So far it's already been up around 2,830 subscriber. I'm very proud of it. Thank you guys a lot for supporting the channel. I hope that you guys enjoy the tutorial so far. And I know that it's kind of simple, but like I think for this type of project, if you have it in the portfolio, it will be very great. And I also try, I will connect with this server base, which is the database open source going to have few of the business feature. When the customer fill in the information, you will receive a notification from the owner of this website, also for the team, and also we have notification for the customer as well. All right, that's it for this video. See you guys in the next episode.